Hi guys, welcome to the Oracle Advanced RMAN Backup course. This course is targeted to every Oracle DBA who plans to master Oracle RMAN backups. As a DBA, your primary job is to secure your database, and for the security of your database, proper planning of backup is very important. As a DBA, you design the backup strategies for your production or non-production databases. This backup strategy will help you in order to recover your database at the time of data loss. The different skills that you will be learning in this course would be to understand what is Recovery Manager. Oracle Backup and Recovery is managed through a tool known as RMAN. RMAN is nothing but Recovery Manager tool which is provided by Oracle. You will understand how do you manage all your database backups using the Recovery Manager. You will also learn the power and functionality of Oracle RMAN. There are multiple RMAN parameters which help taking your database backups. You will learn those RMAN parameters as to how to set those parameters. Later, you will understand the different types of RMAN backups and how do you trigger those backups to take different levels of database backups. Depending on the database size, your backup types will also change. For example, for small databases, you can have a full backup. For very large databases, you can have incremental backups configured. You will basically be learning all those types of backups, including the archive backups and playing around with the backup channels. The main objective of this course is to help you plan effective RMAN backups, help you describe Oracle database backup methods, make you understand how to configure and connect to RMAN, help you master commands to trigger RMAN backups, make you expert in the different backup commands, and master almost all the RMAN backup scenarios. I hope you enjoy this course. Thank you.